Hey guys, in this very simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a project folder in Visual Studio Code. So here I have my VSCode open. Now, the first button on the navigation bar is your Project Explorer. So go ahead and click on that to open your project sidebar. From here, you'll want to go to the Open Folder button and select your C drive or wherever your project is located. For me, it's projects folder and Python folder, and click select folder. Now in Visual Studio Code, opening a folder is the same as opening a project. VSCode is going to add a bunch of settings for that folder as well. Here I already have a couple of Python files, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. And if I want to run this Python program, I'll go to Terminal, New Terminal, and type Python, name of the program, which is hello.py, and hit enter. And as you can see, I've just successfully opened a project folder in VS Code and ran my Python program.